Hello everyone, what's going on? Few big insights are coming from NIO's and company's operations manager has confirmed that NIO has extended store hours beginning yesterday. Enthusiasm for the new ESA test drive is extremely high. The test drive cards have not stopped and the sales team is working tirelessly into the late night. Here, I would say that it's not a casual update. This is a powerful signal. When a company extends its operational hours and its staff are working late into the night to meet the demand, it tells you one thing. The product is absolutely red hot. Think about the high implications here. In any industry, sustained high volume demand for the test drive is a strong precursor to robust sales. It indicates a genuine widespread interest from customers who are not just curious but seriously considering a purchase. And for a high value item like electric vehicle, that's incredibly significant. NIO has built its brand on more than just turning vehicle. They have cultivated an entire ecosystem. From their innovative battery as a service option to convenient power swap stations and their community focused NIO houses, they are selling a complete seamless ownership experience. This extension of hours simply underscored that this comprehensive approach is resonating deeply with the market. For investors, this kind of real world grassroots demand is expectedly what we want to see. It's organic growth driven by an exceptional product that's clearly meeting customers' needs and desire. This isn't just about fleeting hype. It's about tangling customers' engagement that translate into a strong pipeline for sales. This commitment to extend service hours also highlights NIO's operational flexibility and their dedication to customer satisfaction. So the key takeaway here is that enthusiasm for the new ES8 is undeniable. This surge in test drive demand is powerful indicator of strong sales ahead, bolstering NIO's market position and reinforcing its trajectory as a leader in a global premium EV landscape. This isn't just a positive news, it's confirmation that NIO is executing its vision beautifully. To me, it truly feels like a new era for NIO, driven by innovation, customer focus, and now overwhelming market enthusiasm. The road ahead looks very bright indeed for NIO. So get ready for it. With that said, thank you so much for being here. See you in next one. Hello everyone, what's going on? Few important updates are coming from Neozen, and this one is a little bit concerning. We have seen some recent social media posts highlighting concerns. One post bring up the situation where a customer, the Chang Xiangxi, order an L90 but their province has stopped subsidizing vehicles, and Shanghai now requires local license plate, resulting in an extra 17,000 yuan cost. This is a very real tangible concern for customers. One another post pointing out that CEO William Lee cautioning about a weak EV industry in the first quarter of 2026 as China tax incentives drop. The post also mentions that achieving even half of this year's fourth quarter level in the first quarter of the next year would be a challenge due to these subsidies reduction. These are the legitimate concerns. It is true that government subsidies, both local and national, have played a significant role in accelerating EV adoption. As these subsidies decrease or disappear, the initial purchase price for the customers can increase, creating a potential barrier. This is a reality that all EV manufacturers, not just NIO, will have to navigate. However, it is crucial to put this into perspective. While the removal of subsidies present a challenge, it also signals a maturing market. The goal of subsidy is to kickstart an industry, not to sustain its indefinitely. The fact that government feel confident enough to reduce these incentives suggests that the EV market is now strong enough to stand more on its own two feet. For companies like NIO, this transition period is where true strength are revealed. NIO has always positioned itself as a premium brand, focusing on innovative technology, superior service, and a strong brand communication. These are the very attributes that will allow them to differentiate themselves when the playfield becomes more level without the artificial boost of subsidies. CEO William Lee is cautious about it, while sounding bearish on the surface can also be interpreted as a strategic foresight. By acknowledging these potential headwinds early, NIO can prepare. They can focus on the cost efficiency, enhance product value, and double on their unique selling propositions.
It's a call to action for the company to further innovate and strengthen its core value proposition. Furthermore, considering the long term trend, battery technology is improving, manufacturing costs are decreasing, and charging infrastructure is expanding. These organic forces will continue to drive down the effect cost of the EV ownership over time, gradually offset the impact of reduced subsidies. The most successful companies are those that can adapt and thrive through the market shift. NIO strong R&D, its focus on user experience and its robust brand loyalty give it a significant advantage in this evolving landscape. They are not just selling a car, they are selling a lifestyle and forward thinking solution. So, while the reduction in subsidies present a hurdle, it's an expected part of the market. For NIO, this is an opportunity to prove the inherent value of their product and services. It's a chance to shine by demonstrating that their innovation and customer experience are compelling enough to drive demand, even without government incentives. We believe that companies with strong fundamental and clear vision like NEO are well positioned to navigate these changes and emerge even stronger. This is not the end of EV growth story. It's merely the next chapter, one where true value and innovation will truly dedicate success. Keep your eye on NEO. Their resilience and adaptability will be key to their continued success. With that said, thank you so much for being here. See you in the next one.
Hello everyone, back to the channel. Few important updates are coming from NIO's and they have just started letting customers in China configure their new third generation ES8 SUV, and it's a strategic play that tells us a lot about their approach to the market. Question here is that why this is important. Well, in the past a car launch meant a big reveal, and then maybe a few days later you could start thinking about what option you wanted. NIO is changing that. They are letting buyers get a head start, creating a wish list even before orders officially open on September 20th at NIO Day 2025. This isn't just a marketing gimmick, it's a smart way to reduce purchase hesitation. They are giving customers time to really consider their choice from the six exterior colors and four interior scheme to the three different wheel rim styles. One of their standout offering is this their 6-seat executive signature edition, which comes packed with premium features. We are talking about intelligent high definition projection headlights, smart dimming privacy glasses, and those sleek 22-inch fog alloy wheels. These aren't just well and whistles, they are features that set NIO apart in a very competitive space. But here's the most interesting part from a financial perspective: the battery as a service plan. This is a game changer by separating the cost of battery from the vehicle. NIO is significantly lowering the entry price. The full purchase price of the new ES8 is RMB 416,000, but with BAS that dropped to just RMB 308,000. This makes the car more accessible to the wider range of the buyers, which is crucial for increasing the market share. While NIO point out that for the long-term ownership, buying the full vehicle is more economical. However, the BAS plan offers incredible flexibility. It's perfect for the customers who might want to upgrade their vehicles more frequently or simply want to manage their cash flow. It's a genius move that makes NIO high-tech vehicle a viable option for whole new segment of population. The early buzz for this vehicle is fantastic. Test drives have already begun, and NIO CEO William Lee says demand is so high that stores are extending their hours to accommodate all the interest. This is clear signal that the market is ready and excited for what NIO is bringing. While many are focused on the volatility of the EV market, NIO is demonstrating a strategic foresight. They are not just building a car, they are building a complete ownership experience designed to lower barriers to the entry and build long-term customers relations. The combination of an attractive feature-rich vehicle and a flexible customer-centric financial model like BAS put NIO in a very strong position for future growth. So as we look for the September 20th and beyond, all signs point to NIO not just surviving but they are thriving in the competitive EV landscape. It's a positive outlook for the company and bright signal for the future of electric vehicle industry. So get ready for it. With that said, thank you so much for being here. See you in next one.